see.
So this is what we need. We need some California walnut pieces, 250 grams.
And
We need
some
this
marshmallows.
tray. We need a tray.
Marshmallow.
It can be any tray actually. We need the sieve. And we need
Sounds
a
like
big
big
bowl.
chocolate. I don't know what is this chocolate.
Okay, and we need a big bowl.
And we need some
And
flour.
wait, Christian. We need some
Some
Van
cocoa
Gouda
powder.
semi-sweet dark compound.
And we need some cocoa
Block.
powder.
Christian, slow down. It's not cocoa powder. We need some marshmallows and we need some brown sugar and plain flour and cocoa powder and some vanilla essence. So that's what we need. So
Now we will need some butter. No, let me take this one.
So you see, so we need some salted butter and some unsalted butter.
Yeah.
And we need to melt this now. But we have to wait.
Wrong.
Christian, but we don't need the salted butter. We only need unsalted butter.
Oh, sweet. Thank you.
Start videoing then.
Oh.
Wait.
Okay, Christian. So you pour in the butter. Because we need to melt the butter. And don't throw away the foil. Because we will need the foil. Okay.
This is gonna be so awesome.
Stamping up. Okay, but don't on the fire because you need to call a parent to help you.
Okay. Get up.
How does it look like?
And now it will melt. Oh.
I think we did the fine.
Smell the butter.
Why is the butter not melted yet?
Take a while.
You know. I didn't nobody know.
Okay, look, come down first. Okay, now just leave it there for a bit. Now it's time.
Ice cream. 20,
Just leave it. Excuse me. Down here.
21, 20, 21. Okay, marshmallows is 700 degrees. And this one, 800. And this one, 1000. And this one is 0.
Now that we have the melted butter ready, we need 130 grams of plain flour plus 100 grams of cocoa powder, and we need to mix it up later. Everything we need to mix up later. And we have 100 grams of white sugar, 80 grams of brown sugar, 4 eggs,
20 ml vegetable oil, 1 tablespoon of vanilla
essence,
very important. 200 grams of chocolate. Marshmallows. Mommy, can I please have marshmallows?
Okay.
Yeah, marshmallows.
Look
Oh
up.
yeah,
Look up.
we need a bowl to mix, but where is the bowl? I thought it. We need a bowl go from that toilet. Thank you, Charles.
Okay.
Now we mix it.
Okay, look, wait.
Oh, that's a very heavy bowl.
Okay, so now that we have all the ingredients ready, we need to mix it up.
Because it's heavy. Yeah.
Put the butter in first.
Okay. The
Sugar. Pour the sugar in. Pour the other bowl of sugar in, the brown sugar and the white sugar. And thank you for this. And mix it up until it's very good.
Ten.
Okay. Now that we have mixed it up, it has to look like this. And now we need that mix.
Yucks.
Nice.
What is it?
Some vegetable oil. And we need the 1 teaspoon of
Can I do it? Can I pour it?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Maybe I'll do this one. Okay, now it's enough. Now we have to mix it. Now that we have the mix up, we need to serve the flour. Now that we have pour the flour in, now we have to fold it. Do not mix.
Okay, look.
So keep on folding until the flour is covered with the chocolate. Now that we have this ready, it has to look like this, and now we have to add the chocolate in.
Oopsies, my chocolate's up. Oops.
Marshmallows don't put.
Okay, I'm just little. So good smell. I love it.
Now that we have leveled it out, we are going to put some sprinkles of marshmallow on top.
Okay.
Sprinkle it all over.
Oh.
No. Ma, let me put mittens first.
No. Go wear the mittens.
Oh, we need to preheat 75 degrees Celsius. 175 C.
Oven is preheated at 175. Now we are going to put it in.
Be careful.
Let me try it. Very good. Try this recipe at home and tell us comment below how you like it. Bye. And subscribe to our channel.